Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to invest on SoFi. First, you'll need to open a SoFi Invest account, which is a quick and easy process. You can choose between an automated investing approach, where SoFi manages your portfolio, or an active investing account if you prefer to pick your own stocks and ETFs. Once your account is set up, you can fund it with as little as $0 to open, or $5 for self-directed accounts, or $50 for robo accounts to begin your investment journey. If you opt for automated investing, SoFi will ask you a few simple questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. Based on your answers, SoFi's algorithm will construct a diversified portfolio tailored to your needs. This hands-off approach includes automatic rebalancing to keep your portfolio on track and reinvests any dividends you earn, helping your money grow over time without constant attention. For those who prefer more control, SoFi's active investing platform allows you to buy and sell stocks and exchange-traded funds, or ETF, completely commission-free. You can even invest in fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of a high-priced stock with as little as $1. SoFi also provides valuable research tools and market insights to help you make informed decisions about your investments. To truly maximize your SoFi investments, take advantage of their extensive educational resources, which can help you understand market trends and refine your strategy. Also, explore linking other SoFi products, like banking or loans, as this can sometimes unlock additional benefits or lower rates. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep learning and growing your financial future with SoFi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.